Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Astronomy with Rani. Today, we'll be discussing about the fourth dimension. So, don't think small because astronomy is for all. With this, let's go. So, we'll not directly go there. We'll start with the first dimension. In the first dimension, there's only length, no width, and no height. People living in the first dimension would be able to see things as a straight line and would be able to move only in the forward and backward direction. Now moving on to the second dimension. The second dimension has length and width but no height. A two-dimensional world is actually comprised of infinite series of 1D worlds. One who lives in a 2D world would be able to move left, right, and front and back. Similarly, in a 3D world in which we live is comprised of length, breadth, and height. Furthermore, a 3D world has infinite 2D worlds which are stacked together. Here comes the fourth dimension. Now, it's not like we'll put on 3D blocks on top of each other and it becomes 4D. No, it becomes 3D again. We live in a 3D world and see things two dimensionally, and the one living in a 2D world will see things one dimensionally. This means we do not see the world the way it is. If a four-dimensional creature looks at our world, then he'll be able to see through things, through houses and microorganisms spread all over. Just imagine in 1D we have a line, in 2D we have a plane, we can say it as a square, in 3D we have a cube, and in 4D it is said to be a tesseract.
This is how it looks like. It is basically four cubes that are within each other with all adjacent sides perpendicular and all opposite sides parallel.
You cannot really imagine a 4D object or tesseract in your mind, but theoretically there are infinite spatial dimensions. Albert Einstein said that time is the fourth dimension that we can travel to the past and future. I personally feel that this can be a misconception. He unified a 4D quantum called space-time which were inextricably linked. If we assume that all dimensions are according to a pattern saying that the fourth dimension is time, then every dimension has time in it. So this means that the fourth dimension is not special in any way, which really doesn't make any sense. Moreover, we can argue that time is one dimensional as it moves only in the front and back, that is, past and future. Another reason is we travel through time very slightly due to the distance and time light takes to reach us. For example, the twin paradox. Many physicists and mathematicians say that dimensions can be very slightly curved because nothing can be truly absolutely infinite. Imagine the first dimension, the line. If it is slightly curved, then it will form a circle after infinite time. This way, we end up at the same place we started. The same is with the second dimension, it will form a circular plane, and the third dimension will form a sphere, and it goes on. So, what it all kind of says is that 2D is within the 3D, and our 3D world is within a 4D world, within a 5D world. This points to infinity, and infinity can or cannot be true. If infinity is there, then it is sort of mind blasting, and if it's not, then we have to find the endpoint. We are looking forward for the answer to this question. So here we come to the end of our video. I hope that this video helped you to visualize the fourth dimension. For more such knowledgeable videos, like and subscribe to my channel. And I would like to tell you that we're there on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and X. And if you want to know more, then you can also join us there.